the street
Let's dive
bikes.
into this AGT performance together. Judges' reactions as much as the act itself. Simon looks skeptical at first. Classic
That's the
Simon
small
move.
ones. That's the little bikes.
Look at his
Here come the big
expression
boys.
changing. That's the power of a great performance right there. Ali's getting animated, which means something good is happening. The audience is completely captivated. This performer knows how to work the room. Sophia,
They better run, man.
She's
There's a fire truck and some police are coming.
That was unexpected. The judges are all leaning forward now. This is the moment where everything clicks.